Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to tell you about numbers, types of numbers. Okay, this is the chapter 3rd of class 6th maths. So let us start with that. Before that I must say subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos. So let us start the chapter. Types of numbers. Types of numbers. There are different types of numbers, different types of whole numbers. See, the first one is even number. Even number, you know what are even numbers? Even numbers are the numbers with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its unit place. If the numbers, you know the places of, if I have written 264. Okay, this is the unit place. First place is unit place or ones place we can write. Then tens and hundred. So you have to see this place, ones place or unit place. A number with 0, 2, 4, 8, 6 and 8. So here we have 4. If the number is having this at unit place, then that number is what? Even number. Even number. Example we have seen in our Delhi. That nowadays that shops are opening on even odd basis. Okay, even odd basis means like shops are in 10 shops are there in a row. Okay, first shop will not open. If even day is there, then first shop will not open. Second will open. Why? Because 2. Okay, then fourth one, third will be closed. Fourth one will open, then sixth one will open, then eighth one will open and 10th one. Why? Because 10 is having 0 at its unit place. So, what is even number? Even number is what? If unit place we have, at the unit place we have what? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now, come to the next number. That is odd numbers. Now, what are odd numbers? Odd means where the unit places are not these, means a number with, see, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Means if a number is having, if I have written 321. If I have written 321, you have to see what? You have to see the unit place. Yeah, 35. I have written 35. I have written 41. I have written 49. You will see the unit place. See, unit place and unit place. Okay. So what we have, 1 we have at unit place, then 5 we have at unit place and 9 we have at unit place. If we are having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at unit place of a number, then that number is what? Odd number. Right? Now come to the third number, that is prime numbers. So prime numbers क्या होते हैं? What are prime numbers? Prime numbers. अच्छा, before this I must say even numbers एक तो unit place पे उनके ये होना चाहिए, and one more thing. This is divisible by 2, right? If a number is divisible by 2, then that is even number, right? If a number is divisible by 2, then that is even number. So children, one more thing in even number, how you will find out this is even number or not? One, so you can see the unit place. And one more thing, if that number is divisible by 2, अगर वो 2 से divide हो जाता है, if it is divisible by 2, then also that number is a even number. In the same way, come to the second, that is odd number. If that number is not divisible by 2, अगर वो 2 से divide नहीं होगा, then that is a odd number, right? Okay, now come to our third type, that is what? Prime numbers. Prime numbers क्या होते हैं? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only 2 factor, right? Only 2 factor means जो number किसी से भी नहीं कटता है. which is not divisible by any number except itself. Okay, सिर्फ अपने आप से कटेगा और किसी से नहीं कटेगा. Means it will not get divided by any other number. See, if I have written here, I am writing 5. Okay, 5. Then I have written 7. Then I have written 11. See, 5. 5 किसी की टेबल में आता है? आता है. किसकी टेबल में आता है? एक 1 और एक 5. और किसी की टेबल में नहीं आता. Means number which have only 2 factors. What? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. Only 2 factors are there. That means this is a prime number, right? So 5 is a prime number. Let's see the next one. Here I have written 6. Okay. Now see, what are the factors of 6? What are the factors of 6? See, I'm just rubbing these two. Okay. What are the factors of 6? 6 के factors बोलो. 1, 2, 3 and 6. See how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 factors are there. So this is not prime. This is not a prime number. Okay. For prime number, what should be the property of prime number? That the number must have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Right? Now let us see the third one. I have written 11. 11 किससे कटेगा? 11 किसकी टेबल में आता है? See, 1 and 11 and nothing else. It is not divisible by any other number. So this is a prime number. I think this is clear to you. Come to the next. This is now after prime number is. Acha, one more thing in this, very very important thing. 1. Okay, 1 is a number which is neither. Acha, before that you should know. You should know what is composite number. Before this, you should know what is composite number. See, after prime number we are having what? Composite number. What is composite number? Composite number is a number which have more than 2 factors. Composite number is a number which have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Suppose I have written 6 or 36 I have written. Okay. So 36. What are the factors of 36? See, firstly write here 1 and here 36. ठीक है, आप last number 36 लिख लो. Now, अब देखेंगे किस किस की टेबल में आता है. See, 2. If you are writing here 2, 2 कितने सा 36? 2 कितने सा 36? 1 36 are 36, right? You can do like this. Then 2 कितने सा 36? 2 18s are 36, right? Then see, 3 से जाएगा ये. 6 plus 3 is 9. Divisibility rule, you will read this afterward. After this only I will tell you what are the divisibility rule. आप कैसे पहचानोगे कि ये 3 से divisible होगा, 5 से divisible होगा, 11 से divisible होगा कि नहीं, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? For that you should know all the divisibility rule of other numbers. Okay. So let us see here firstly. 36. What are the factors of 36? So you can do like this. This is one of the method. 1 कितने सा 1 36 are 36. Okay. 2 कितने सा 2 18s are 36, right? Then after 3 से भी ये चला जाएगा. 3 कितने सा 36. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. That is plus 12. Okay. Then 4 कितने सा 4 9s are 36. One more factor is in between, that 6 6 are 36, that I have written above. Okay. Okay then. So let us see what are the factors of 36. 36 is having factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So it is more than 2 factor. Yes, it is divisible by these many numbers. That means this number is prime or composite. This is a composite number, right children? This is composite number. Why? Because it is having more than 2 factors. Okay? If a number is having more than 2 factors, then that is a composite number. So let us come to the next. Composite till composite we have done. Now let us see. The next is twin prime number. Next number is twin prime number. You have read about prime number. Now you'll read about twin prime number. See, twin prime number is a pair of, see here, twin prime numbers. Now what are twin? Twin means two, एक जैसा, right? Twins बोलते हैं ना हम twins. Twins मतलब जुड़वा. That same, identical. See, twin prime numbers means a pair of prime numbers means two number will be there. Okay, two number will be there. Group of two number. Pair of number is there. Pair of prime numbers which follow each other and differ by two. Which follow each other and differ by two. Suppose I have written 1 to 20, all the prime numbers. See, 1, 2, 1 is neither. Before this I just told you one important number is there, that is 1. 1 को हम कहते हैं it is neither prime nor composite. Now why? See, nor composite. हम किसी भी नंबर को प्राइम और कॉम्पोजिट कैसे डिफर करते हैं? डिफर करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग फैक्टर. हाउ मेनी फैक्टर इट इज हैविंग? से 1 इज हैविंग हाउ मेनी फैक्टर? 1 किसकी टेबल में आता है? 1 की टेबल में आता है. 1 1s are 1. ओके, नाउ 1 2s are मीन्स वो अलग हो गया, वो उसका मल्टीपल हो गया, राइट? तो इसके फैक्टर क्या होंगे? ओनली 1 इज द फैक्टर. ओनली 1 फैक्टर इट इज हैविंग. तो प्राइम नंबर के लिए क्या चाहिए? 2 फैक्टर. So it is not having a single factor, it is having only a single factor, not 2 factors. So it is not a prime number. Prime number नहीं है. Now composite का तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता. If it is not having 2 factors, then more than 2 is not possible. So that 1 is the special number which is neither prime and nor composite. Okay, so keep in mind this. Then come to the next, that is twin prime number. Twin prime number I told you कि pair of prime numbers कोई भी ले लेते हैं हम लोग. 1 के बाद 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Even prime number. 2 is also a special number. Like 1 is a special number. 2 is also a special number. 2 is the special number. Why? Because it is the only number which is even. This is even prime number. Right? 2 is only one even prime number. Right? Now come to the next, what I was telling you, that twin prime. I have taken 2 and 3. These are the twin prime number. These are following each other. But one more important thing they have given, which follow each other and differ by 2. Is there differences 2? इन दोनों का डिफरेंस 2 है? नो. डिफरेंस इज व्हाट? 1. तो दिस इज नॉट अ ट्विन प्राइम. लेट अस सी द अदर 3. एक ले लिया. देन 4 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. देन 5. सी these two. It is a pair of 2 prime numbers, 3 and 5. What is the difference between these two? Difference between these two is 2. Means it is following the rule of twin prime number. That is the pair of prime number which follow each other. These are following each other. 5 is following 3. Okay? And differ by 2. Its difference is what? 2. So, this is what? Twin prime number. This is a pair of twin prime number. Let us see the other one. 5 and 7. See, here also both are prime numbers and their difference is what? Their difference is 2. That means this is also a twin prime number. Okay children, I think this is clear to you. Now come to the next. That is co-prime number. What? Co-prime number. Co-prime number क्या होता है? I'm just rubbing this so that you should not get confused. See, Co-prime number. Co-prime number again. Prime number means number is said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. If they do not have common factor other than 1 means उनका कोई भी common factor नहीं होना चाहिए. Suppose I have written 2 and 3. These both are prime numbers. Okay. So what is the factor of 2 and what is the factor of 3? They do not have a common factor other than 1. इसके common factor, इसके factors ये हैं. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Factors of 3? 1 and 3. 1 is the common factor. So this number is a co-prime number. Right, children? This is co-prime number. Now, one more example. Let us take one more example. So children, what is co-prime number? Just now I told you that a number is said to be co-prime if it is having 1 as a common factor. Okay, if it is having only 1 as a common factor. Now let us see. Any two, in this one important thing is there. So keep in mind this thing. Any two number are always co-prime. Any two number are always co-prime, but two co-primes need not be both prime numbers. Means any two here prime number should be. Any two prime numbers, कोई भी दो prime numbers जो हैं, always they will be co-prime. Suppose I have taken 11 and 13. These both are co-prime. Why? Because it is having, what are the factors? This one and 1 and 13. 1 is the only common factor. So, all the prime numbers are always co-prime. If two prime numbers are there, that must be co-prime. Why? Because it is having 1 as a common factor. Okay. But one that important thing is there, that two other than prime number may be a co-prime number. For example, see here, 3 and 4. 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number, but this is composite number. But pair of these two numbers can be a co-prime number. Why? Now see, what are the factors of 3? 3 के factors क्या हैं? 1 and 3. What are the factors of 4? That is 1, 2 and 4. Okay, now see. What is the common factor? 1 and no other common factor. That means it is following the rule of co-prime number. That means a pair of number, it is not necessary that the pair of number should be both the prime numbers, should be having both prime numbers. That may be one prime and one composite. ओके, एक प्राइम हो सकता है और एक कॉम्पोजिट हो सकता है. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि दोनों नंबर्स जो होंगे पेयर के that are prime numbers. This is most important thing. Okay, then. So I have written here examples of co-prime number 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Right? Now let us come to the next number, that is perfect number. Perfect number, in the previous class I told you, perfect number. Perfect number means if sum of factors, if sum of factors of a number is twice of the given number. Suppose 28 example I have given you yesterday. 28 के factors. One more example. Let us see then also 1, 2, then 3 की टेबल में नहीं आता. 4, 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. 2 कितने are 28? 2 14s are, and this 28. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. That is 56. Okay. 56 is just twice of this. So this is a perfect number. let us see a smaller number. One number is there, that is 6. 6. You can check whether that number is a perfect number. In the previous class I told you all that. See the 6 number. Okay, what are the factors of 6? See, 1, then 2, 2 3s are 6 and 6. Right? Now let us do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. Sum of factors of a number is twice the given number. Let us see what it is. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is twice of this. 6 2s are 12. That means this is also a perfect number. So children, these are the different types of numbers. You have read different types of whole numbers, I must say. I think all points are clear to you, even odd, prime, composite, twin prime, co-prime and perfect number. So exercise 3.2 is based on that only. I think you can do all that sums. If there is any problem in that, you can write in the comment box. Okay, so children, मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, goodbye. Subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel as much as it is possible, ताकि सभी बच्चों को इसका फायदा मिल सके. जिनको जरूरत है उन तक ये वीडियो पहुंच पाए. Thank you so much.